Hey everybody, it's Sabrent here, and in this video we're going to have a closer look at the Sabrent Rocket XTRM-Q 4TB SSD. Now this is both Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C. So there's a USB-C mode or there's a Thunderbolt 3 mode. The Thunderbolt 3 mode, they claim can get up to about 2700 Mbps. I'm going to test that, so stick around for that. We're going to test how fast this actually gets on my iMac. Now also in the USB mode, it can go up to 900 megabytes. So what makes this a little different is it can detect whether you're on a USB or whether you're on Thunderbolt 3, and then it adjusts the speeds. Some of these drives can only work Thunderbolt 3 or vice versa. Now also too, it comes with a USB-C to type USB-A cable as well as a Thunderbolt 3 cable. So anyway, let's test this out and see how fast it can actually go on my iMac. Also, I should note, you can also use this on a Windows or a Mac. Also, we have a shock-proof protector for the drive. So if you want to go mobile and you want a little more protection. So anyway, let's get right to the video. We'll check out the speed and then we'll have a look at how small this drive actually is. All right, here's a look at the speed test, and you can see the write speed is around 1364 and the read speed's a little higher at about 1868. All right, here's my thoughts on the Sabrent Rocket XTRM-Q 4TB drive. Now this is a solid state drive. It can go very fast and you can use it on a Mac or a Windows, just to recap. Now also again, there's the USB-C mode and there's also the Thunderbolt 3 mode, which is faster. Now I think it's awesome for video editors or for photographers. If you're looking for a fast drive but you need more storage, well, this is a great option. Although it's a little bit pricey at this time. Maybe in a few years it'll be more affordable. But if you need the speed for editing, say 4K or 6K or 8K video, then this is a great drive. Because one thing I found out is when you start shooting with like something like the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro, what a mouthful, it really adds up. Like the storage space, if you start shooting at 3:1 on that camera at 6K, you're going to need a lot more storage. So that's why I started to look into a faster, large hard drive, because basically if you got a 1 terabyte drive, it's going to fill up really quickly, and then it can be annoying because then you have to sort of offload your footage to another drive. So if you're really looking for something with 4 terabyte storage, then this is definitely something that you would want to look into. Also, they have smaller drives that they make that are just as fast. You can get a 2 terabyte or a 1 terabyte, but when it comes to 4 terabytes, this is a pretty awesome drive, and you can't beat the size and portability as well. It's amazing to think that you can get a drive this small, and it's cheaper to get something like this than it would be to upgrade your storage in, say, like a MacBook or an iMac. So all in all, it's kind of expensive. It's on more of the more expensive end, but it's cheaper than if you were to get that storage built into your Mac. And sometimes it's nice just to have a portable drive that's large that you can move from, say, your laptop to an iMac or whatever that you're working on. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about this drive, you can post them down below. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, just hit that subscribe button and then take a second to hit that bell notification, because that way you'll get updates when my next video goes live. So don't forget to do that. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell. And again, any comments or questions, post them down below. All right, thanks for watching. It's Sabrent here, and I'll see you in the next video.